Welcome back to CarZone 2024, your go-to channel for the latest automotive reviews, where we bring you the freshest insights on upcoming models. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting release at the 2025 Hyundai H100 Motorhome. In this video, we'll be focusing purely on the exterior of this modern motorhome, exploring its design, performance, history, and features in detail. So stick around to find out what makes this vehicle stand out from the rest. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Hyundai H100 Motorhome sports a bold and rugged appearance that immediately catches the eye. Hyundai has really stepped up their game in terms of aesthetics, blending functionality with style in a way that feels premium yet practical. The front end is characterized by its signature large grille, which gives the vehicle a strong presence on the road, paired with sleek, LED headlights that offer both excellent visibility and a modern touch. The H100's front fascia sets the tone for its impressive design language. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the clean, aerodynamic lines that help reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency. The side mirrors are electronically adjustable and come equipped with built-in indicators, ensuring safety and ease of use. The large, tinted windows not only provide privacy but also help keep the interior cool during long road trips. Additionally, the wide stance and high ground clearance make this motorhome ideal for off-road adventures, giving it the versatility to handle a variety of terrains. At the rear, the Hyundai H100 Motorhome continues to impress. The rear features wraparound LED tail lights that blend seamlessly into the body, improving both aesthetics and safety. There's also a full-sized rear hatch, which makes loading and unloading equipment, bikes, or even outdoor furniture a breeze. The rear bumper is designed to be sturdy, providing added protection when parking in tight spots or navigating tricky camping areas. Now, let's talk about performance. While we won't delve into the interior or engine specifics, it's worth noting that Hyundai has equipped the 2025 H100 Motorhome with a strong and efficient powertrain designed to take on long trips with ease. The vehicle sits on a durable platform with reinforced suspension, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, even when traversing uneven roads or rugged trails. Whether you're taking it on a weekend camping trip or a cross-country adventure, the H100 is built to handle it all. A little bit of history. Hyundai's H100 line has long been recognized for its reliability and utility. Originally introduced as a light commercial vehicle, it has evolved significantly over the years, culminating in this 2025 motorhome model. The latest iteration takes all the strengths of the original H100 and wraps them in a package that's modern, stylish, and adventure-ready. In terms of features, the 2025 Hyundai H100 Motorhome includes roof-mounted solar panels, adding to its eco-friendly credentials. The exterior also boasts multiple storage compartments, perfect for storing tools, camping gear, or other essentials. This vehicle is built to be the ultimate companion for those who enjoy life on the road. So, what do you think of the 2025 Hyundai H100 Motorhome? Its rugged exterior, modern design, and versatile features make it a top choice for those looking to travel in style without sacrificing functionality. If you're in the market for a motorhome that combines Hyundai's legendary reliability with the latest in design and performance, the H100 might just be your perfect match. That's all for today's deep dive into the exterior of the 2025 Hyundai H100 Motorhome. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.